So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Aqua Station. So in this video I am going to discuss about how to boost Oscar fish color. So there are a varieties of factors which may contribute to fading color in freshwater Oscar fish. Unfortunately, fading color is often a consequence of multiple factors, so it can be tricky not only to identify the problem but to fix it as well. So the first factor is inadequate diet. So one of the most common cause of fading color in Oscar fish is inadequate diet. Many aquarium hobbyists often assume that commercial flex food or pellets will meet all the nutrition needed for your Oscar fish. While these foods are formulated to provide these fish with most of the nutrition they need, Oscar fish are not likely to reach their full potential for health, size and coloration when they feed a diet of commercial food alone. So in order to improve fading color in Oscar fish, it is important to offer a variety of food such as live, frozen and freeze food that are full of the color boosting nutrients that your Oscar fish may need. So in the wild, Oscar eat a variety diet which consists of a varieties of insects. While Oscar eat many types of live food, not all live food are good for them. Just as pellets come in different size, the size of the live food fed to your pet should be appropriate for the size of the fish eating it. You can feed them mealworm, bloodworm and etc. And the second point is inadequate tank lighting. So another possible cause of fading color in Oscar fish is inadequate tank lighting. For example, certain species like goldfish and koi actually require exposure to natural light in order to develop the pigment in their skin, while enables them to show their healthy colors. And the third point is water quality. The third possible factor contributing to fading color in Oscar fish is water quality. As you are probably aware that water quality play an incredible important role in determining the health of your fish and of your tank environment as a whole. If the water quality decline, your fish are likely to become stressed. Aquarium fish that are stressed or ill are unlikely to display their optimum coloration, and they may even fade in color as a result of their stress. So in order to prevent this happening in your fish tank, it is important to keep up a regular maintenance routine to ensure that fish quality and water quality are all well. So it is also important to replace your filter media on a monthly basis and to perform weekly water change of 10 to 20% of your tank volume. Doing these simple steps will help a significant effect on the water quality in your fish tank. So in addition to diet, lighting and water quality, there are other factors which may contribute to enhancing the coloration of your fish, which is tank decoration. So the way you decorate your tank can also have an impact on the coloration of your fish. So Oscar fish prefer dark substrate and dark background, for example based on their natural habitat. Providing enough hiding place in the form of rockscape and live plant can also impact the coloration of your Oscar fish. So it is also important to keep in mind that the color of your fish may change over time. Juveniles of many species are naturally less colorful than adults, and females are often duller in coloration than the males. As your fish grow and mature, they also naturally develop more intense coloration depending on the species. So these are all information regarding how you can increase or boost the color of your Oscar fish. I hope this video will help you. More videos are coming soon, so please stay tuned to my channel.